Today we're learning how to use can I and shall I. Now you probably already know how to use can I, but what about shall I? For instance, what's the difference between can I turn the light on and shall I turn the light on? By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand the difference between can I and shall I and begin to use it immediately in your own conversations. So let's look back at my examples. Can I turn the light on means probably you're in a dark room and you want to turn the light on. So you're asking if it's okay to turn the light on. Basically, you're asking for permission. That's easy, isn't it? On the other hand, shall I turn the light on means probably you've seen someone sitting in a dark room, maybe trying to read a book or something, and you're kindly offering to turn the light on for them. So you're being kind and asking them if they want the light to be turned on. So, in a nutshell, if you're asking permission to do something, can I? But if you're doing something for someone else, shall I? Let's do a quiz to check your understanding.
I got too many things from the shop.
Oh hey, are you alright? I hold your bag?
Oh really? Oh, thank you, that would be great. Not everything.
So in this example, the person is basically just being kind and offering to help. So in that case, we need shall I.
Oh hey, are you alright? Shall I hold your bag? These cookies are delicious, aren't they? I can't stop eating. Can I have the last one? Half? Okay.
In this example, the person is asking for permission to eat the last cookie. So in that case, we use can I.
Can I have the last one? It's really cold, isn't it? Is it? I don't think so. Hey, the window is open. That's why it's so cold in here. Oh, well, I turn the heater on if you're cold. Yes, please.
In this last example, the second speaker is not actually cold. So when they ask about the heater, they're not asking for permission to turn it on. Instead, they can see that their friend is cold, so they offer to turn it on for them. So in this case, we need to use shall I.
Oh, well, shall I turn the heater on if you're cold?
So, how well did you do? Did you get all the correct answers? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.